The Education Act, third schedule, Constitution and Procedure of the Independent Schools Committee. Constitution of the Independent Schools Committee. 1. That's part 1. The Independent Schools Committee shall consist of 3 members, being persons who have had such experience in teaching or in the conduct, management, and administration of educational institutions as the minister considers suitable, and 2 other members who shall be representatives of professional teachers associations recognized by the minister and shall be nominated by such associations and in manner approved by the minister. 2. Appointment and tenure of office of members. The members of the Independent Schools Committee shall be appointed by the minister and shall hold office for such period not exceeding 2 years as the minister shall determine, and shall be eligible for reappointment. The minister shall appoint 1 member of the committee to be the chairman thereof. 3. Revocation of appointment. The minister may, if he thinks expedient to do so, at any time revoke the appointment of the chairman or any other member of the Independent Schools Committee. 4. Temporary appointments. In the case of the absence or inability to act of any member, the minister may appoint any person to act temporarily in the place of such member. 5. 1. Resignation. Any member of the Independent Schools Committee other than the chairman may at any time resign his office by instrument in writing addressed to the minister and transmitted through the chairman. So they address to the minister, but the chairman would be included on the letter and given to the chairman, addressed through the chairman, and from the date of the receipt by the minister of such instrument or member shall cease to be a member of the committee. The chairman of the Independent Schools Committee may at any time resign his office by instrument in writing addressed to the minister, and such resignation shall take effect as from the date of the receipt of such instrument by the minister. Filling of vacancies. If any vacancy occurs in the membership of the Independent Schools Committee, such vacancy shall be filled by the appointment of another member who shall, subject to the provisions of this schedule, hold office for the remainder of the period for which the previous member was appointed. So, however, that such appointment shall be made in the same manner and from the same category of person as the appointment of the previous member. 7. Publication of membership. The names of the members of the Independent Schools Committee as first constituted and every change in membership thereof shall be published in the Gazette. That means it will be made public. 8. Quorum. The quorum of the Independent Schools Committee at any meeting shall be 3. Remuneration of members. 9. There shall be paid to the chairman and any other member of the Independent Schools Committee such remuneration, whether by way of honorarium, salary, or fees, and such allowances as the minister may determine. So honorarium, payment for services that are normally given free. Office of members not to be public offices, that's 10. The office of the chairman and any other member of the Independent Schools Committee shall not be a public office for the purposes of Chapter 5 of the Constitution of Jamaica. 11. General power to regulate procedure. Subject to the provisions of this schedule, the Independent Schools Committee shall have power to regulate its own procedure. We'll look at the fourth schedule in another video.